we go. Proformance Unlimited, custom crate engines. Told you we could build a lot of different things. This customer happened to say he wanted our 347. Can we make him 500 horsepower? We said, of course. You have to build it the way we want it. So we took our late model roller. We put a nice hydraulic roller cam in here. We put a full forged rotating assembly so it's going to hold. We put the equivalency of the cam we wanted. We put the AFR heads on here. Air gap intake, Holley carb MSD distributor. 550 horse, 500 foot-pounds of torque. Again, give us a shot. You want the best, you got to call the best. 1-800-267-3940. Peace.